Hi, welcome back to part 2 of your favorite fidgets. Now show me your least favorite fidget. This is mine. The color scheme isn't really good. Show me your dirtiest fidget. I'll go get mine really quickly. It's just back here. This is mine. It's really dirty, but I think it's a really cool fidget because you can grab onto the loop up here and do this. It's also fun to squish. It also lights up, which I think is really cool. Show me your oldest fidget. Show me one of your softest fidgets. This is mine. It's not very soft, but kinda. Show me your second least favorite fidget. It's also the one that's mostly beat up. This one's mine. It's really cute. And it's also really tough. Show me your hardest fidget. This one. Show me the fidget that's not really a fidget, but you consider it one. These guys, they're really soft and really fun to squish. They're more like stress balls, but because I don't have any, but they're kind of like them because they're filled with tough stuffing. Show me your cutest fidget. This is mine. It's a Squishums, little Squishums panda. And that's all my fidgets and questions. Bye!